The ignition switch allows you to turn your small engine's ignition on and off. The ignition switch is a simple toggle switch. When the tool is running, the switch prevents current from flowing through it. When you flip the switch to the off position, it allows current to flow through, grounding the ignition coil to the tool's frame, stopping the flow of current to the spark plug. The most common symptom of a bad ignition switch is a tool that can be started, but then doesn't turn off when the switch is flipped. Replacing the ignition switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the side cover from the throttle trigger handle. Now remove the lockout button and remove the wires from the switch. And now I can install the new switch. I'll reconnect the wires, place the switch back into the housing, and tuck back in any of the wires that I might have pulled free from the housing. Then I'll replace the lockout button. Now I'll realign the throttle handle with the shaft and install the other half. I'll secure the two halves together with the screws. The last screw secures the throttle handle to the shaft. I'll make sure the hole is aligned and then secure the screw. And that's how easy it is to replace the switch on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.